Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and I welcome you to the YouTube channel of Prabhat Exam, your one-stop destination for competitive exams preparations. IAS is the most coveted job profile in this country, and if you aspire for this profile, then you have come at the right place. Stay tuned with us till the end. Before starting preparing for UPSC, there are certain important things that every aspirant should know to save their precious time and energy. In this video, we will tell you the important things that you should know and keep in mind before starting preparation for UPSC.
Read the service profiles to get the hang of what is one aiming for and other relevant information like recent vacancies and allocation. Read the latest notification to get the hang of the current examination process. Go through the pattern and syllabus of the exam given in the notification to acquaint oneself of the exam and process. Also, try to select probable optional subjects. Check previous question papers of prelims and mains examination. This will help one to get the feel of the exam, focus areas, and try and develop a sense to judge what is relevant and what is not from the ocean of information. For quick acquaintance and to get a feel of what is in store, one may take civil services, preliminary examination, and question papers in exam-like mode such as mock tests and check the score from the official answer keys. Download previous question papers from UPSC website. Start reading daily newspapers. Try to develop a balanced perspective on relevant issues. Start with basic NCERTs, NIOS books and IGNOU notes. Read basic textbooks, previous year question papers to select the best among the probable optional subjects. Decision parameters may be interest, extent of syllabus, availability of material, etc. Once the optional is selected, one should follow all the steps for subject-specific study as well.
Thanks for watching this video. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.